Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery type. Most Mercedes use CR2032, but some older fobs use CR2025. Check the imprint to avoid returns. Use a small flathead or plastic pry tool. Place the fob on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Remove the mechanical key first to expose the slot. Insert the pry tool into the slot and twist gently to separate the halves. Do not force it, because the plastic clips can break, and then you'll need a replacement shell. Once opened, observe how the old battery sits so you recreate the orientation exactly. The plus side often faces up, but confirm with the printed diagram. Carefully lift the battery with a plastic tool or fingertip. Metals can short the circuit if they contact other components. Place the new cell into the tray and press until the retaining clip or spring engages. Make sure it's flat and secure. If contacts feel loose, bend the clip slightly so it makes firm contact with the battery. Once the new battery is seated, align the two halves and press them together until you hear clicks from each clip. Ensure the internal buttons line up so they actuate correctly. Reinsert the mechanical key, then stand near your car and test lock, unlock, and trunk functions. This verifies both battery and antenna contact. If the fob doesn't respond, open it again to confirm orientation and that contacts are clean. A cotton swab with isopropyl can remove residue. If still dead, try a known good battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.